Hi, I'm Mark Holdaway with Kalimba Magic, and this month I'm going to be writing out the music for the song Danny Boy in tablature and sharing that. But I thought I would actually share with you how I make this music. First I open up KTabS. KTabS, well, it doesn't look like much, but I'm going to say new. I'm going to load in a template. Now all these templates are available from Kalimba Magic for free. The Easter B-flat treble, that's Easter just refers to the templates that I used for Easter downloads. Now I don't like that, it's too small. Let's go back and edit that with the configuration menu. Let's give it a tine width of say 15, see what that does, and scale it up. Say 1.5 for a scale factor. Let's see, how's that going to be? Well, it's going to be pretty nice for display. Now this is the note menu or tool, I'm not sure what. I like it to be about like that. Now this is a map of the kalimba, the B-flat treble kalimba. Let's see, I'm going to turn the volume up. And if I put a note somewhere and I don't want it there, I just click on it again. See, it's selected. Select, a second left click will make it disappear. Now the notes I'm going to play, let's write that down. That's a chord. Now that's a pickup, so what I need to do is put a fixed bar line in there before there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's see about the tempo. I'm going to rewind to the beginning and click play. That's a good tempo. I'm going to reduce the volume a little bit so it doesn't distort. 1, 2, 3. Now if you did not know the song as well as I do, you could hunt and peck. I just know the song, so I know what tines to go to. Okay. Now watch this trick. I'm going to tie these together with a tie. Oh, yeah, I'm at the end. So what I do is I just I right click anywhere and go to insert 16 above. It can do that as much as you need to. Bum 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 bum. That's a half note dotted. The default is a quarter note. If you don't specify anything, it just goes in as a quarter note. That's a chord. Let me put that in. And then here's a great trick. I can go back to the beginning and just copy and paste. I'm not sure how far I'll have to do, but select by clicking on the left mouse and dragging. and that selects, and then Control C copies, and just go here. And then Control V will paste it beyond the selected region. And let's see how I do. Oh, I got that fixed bar line. I'm just going to cut it so it's not there. Let's play the whole thing. I should have copied more. I'm just clicking on the notes here to make them play. See, I could click here to play any of those notes out of time. Run out of space, insert more notes, scroll down. Oops. Okay, now this is the pickup to the bridge. Oops. Dotted half note. Run out of space. I'm going to insert 16 beats twice. Scroll back down. Okay, I've got this big chord here. Starting there. Now I've got that pickup again. So I'm just going to select and as far as I need to, I think, come back here, paste it in. One, two, three, dotted half note. Now here's the big finale. That's the money note. That's why we're doing it on the B flat treble. Dotted half note. Oops. Now I need no. Okay, I'm going to do that whole big chord again. Not that low. Yeah, that low. It's like a 13th or something. There's the melody note. Oh, Danny boy. Let's put a chord there. Oh, Danny boy. Oh. Put some more notes in. Scroll back down. Okay, let's put a chord there. Let's put a nice little ending on here. Now we've got all this extra space. Well, not too much. We can just cut it. Let's rewind and see how we did. Boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen and down the mountainside. And all the flowers are dying. 'Tis you must go and I must bide. You know what? The tempo is 120. If we put it in there explicitly, it's 120. I'm going to slow it down here at the end. Let's slow it down there. Select tempo. So let's say 115. Tempo 110. I'm just guessing here. I can always go back and change it if it doesn't come out right. Of course, if it were a real person, you'd just say retard. Now I'm going to select here and type print go. Okay, very good. Now I'm going to save as in the B-flat treble directory. So I already had one that had started, but it was empty. You can tell. Well, it was 1 kilobyte, but if I save it, yes, I want to replace it. Save as, well, now it's 2 kilobytes. They're tiny, tiny files. And you can use this to help you learn. And if you don't like the way you wrote it, you can go back and change it. For example, there's a syncopation I can add. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now, if I add a syncopation, I could mess things up. So what I'm going to do, fix the bar line so that anything I do here doesn't affect what's up there. Now you see this pink here? I've got too many beats in this measure, so I have to do this. Let's see what that sounds like. Well, that's not really what I wanted to do. Neither's that. Let's undot it and turn that back into a quarter note. Well, I guess I'm not going to change it. I'm just going to leave it like that. So I save it. Now if I want to turn it into a PDF, well, I could print it to a printer, or I have Primo PDF on my computer, which is a real handy tool. You can get Primo PDF for free, and it will. It's a PDF distiller, and well, it's going into my Kalimba Magic Invoices. That's not where I want it. I want it in books. Now I'm working on many books all at the same time. Some of these are already done, like the Americana is a download. Let's put it here and save it as Oh Danny Boy, B flat treble. Automatically save it as a PDF. And there's the PDF. Now the PDF won't play, but you, on the other hand, you can print it, or I can email it to people. So everything I put out, and here's where I slowed down the tempo. Oops. Right there, you can see the tempo in beats per minute slowing down. Anyway, this is KTabS. This is how I use KTabS. It's quick, it's easy, it's amazing. I don't know why more people don't use KTabS. And what if you don't play the B flat treble? Well, check this out. I can just Control A, select the whole damn thing, Control C, copy. I can say new, load template. Let's load alto. I've got, okay, alto. There's the generic alto. It's colorful, sorry. And then Control V, I just paste it. Oh, but it says, you know, I have the option to transpose up or down. Now the alto is in G, which is 3 semitones, 3 half steps lower. I'm going down, transpose notes down. Ignore the warning, and look, here I go. Transposed for the alto. Oh, there's the money note that's missing, and here there's another note that's missing. So I'm just going to put, make something up, see what it sounds like. Well, it's not perfect, but let's see what it's like. Okay, I'm going to stop and delete all this extra space here. It starts you out with 4 bars or 16 beats if you're in 4/4. Well, if you're not in 4/4, well, back at the beginning, you have the option to set the time signature. It's in 4/4. I'm not going to change that. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. And I'm going to take this and save it as, Oh Danny Boy. Instead of B flat treble, I'm putting it as alto. Hopefully that's on the list, on the view. And of course I can print as alto to Primo PDF, create PDF, save as Oh Danny Boy _ alto. Very good. Of course, the next thing I'm going to do as soon as I turn this off is I'm going to save it as a treble. There will be a few low notes. The treble doesn't go down to that low G, it only goes down to B, so there will be a few notes that will be missing, but I don't think it will, this one will just be a blank. I'll have to fill in some other note there, but you get the idea. It's quick, it's easy, it's efficient, it's beautiful. KTabS, a tool I use almost every day for the kalimba. Thank you.